In this video, I'm gonna show you the CRAM diet, which is cereal, milk, applesauce, and rice diet. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to open your Chrome browser and you have to type CRAM diet. Now you will find our website on a second position, and you have to click on it. And here we go. You will find the entire CRAM diet plan. Okay, in the table of content you can see we shared the 7-day diet plan. I mean, we prepared each and every day diet plan for you. Okay, so and we also touched the other related question on it, like how long can a person follow a CRAM diet, and for whom CRAM diet is made for, and recipes, like we also shared 3 recipes for you. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Do search CRAM diet on over internet and take benefit out of it. Okay, thanks.